1962 Chevy 2 two-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one has been resto modded. 5.3 liter V8 underneath the hood now. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes up front as we take a look at the chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. You can also see it's a more modern headlight now too, with a little higher intensity discharge light in there. Silver metallic paint shows well, black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 5-spoke polished wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. So the panel's nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint really shows well on this. This would be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely turn some heads. Bench seat up front. B&M shifter, aftermarket gauges. I did it. Tilt column's been installed. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in just a bit. First of all, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive with a camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Ford 9-inch rear end. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side, see this side shows as well as the passenger side. Get a nice luster to that paint, get shine to it. Good sounding car. We're going to start it up, check out underneath the hood. Remember, resto modded, 5.3 liter V8 underneath there now. So you will have your OBD2 port right here. That more modern engine. Let's take a look at this interior a little closer. I mentioned the tilt column with the I did it column, tilt column. More of a modern gauge cluster. The aftermarket one filled out very nice underneath the dash. And of course, aftermarket stereo. Let's fire this up. So fuel injection with a 5.3 liter. Alpine stereo. Here's the tach is working. The fuel gauge. Down here, temperature gauge. That was a cold start. Looks like a voltmeter and oil pressure's up. Bounce it a little bit. Liner. Door closes nicely. Wow, listen to this. It does have a Corvette cam in it. Good sounding car. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get the hood open. Check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Let's see what it's like to drive this car down the road. We got the hood open, little prop rod setup, aluminum radiator, headers. I believe it was 3-inch exhaust if you look at the underside pits. Power steering, Mustang 2 front end, front disc brakes. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Wow. Tubular control arms too. Down here, there you go. Definitely a nice setup. Fun car to drive down the street or take to the track, either way. 1962 Chevy 2, resto modded. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Chevy Nova, also known as a Chevy 2. This car has very good acceleration. We have a B&M style shifter right here on the floor. Modern gauges, which do appear to be working well. The oil pressure is at almost 90. The temperature is about 170. Volts are at almost 14. Our fuel gauge is reading a half a tank. Tachometer and speedometer working well. Radio in the dash works. Really well done car, inside and out. Very good condition. Handles the road nicely. Got just enough firmness to feel that road, but a nice ride. Vinyl bench seat is comfortable in this car. Wipers work. We have very good brakes. Go around this roundabout and get one more acceleration in here. This car is nice enough to take for a long trip or to the drag strip.